Check this one out. If you like your 40s, then this has got to give you some sort of movement. 7th month, 1984, 2H, it's a HJ47, and how sweet does this old mustard rig look? She is really well kept. It started life in Pilbara in WA, it's made its way to Tasmania, then to Adelaide, and now it's about to call Queensland home, and we welcome it. Let's go up the front, under the bonnet. It's got a 40 series power steer plumbed in there, and you'll see the high mount turbo, gives it a little bit of up and boogie. It's also got the 5-speed. The 5-speed's a 40 series one. It all sits in line, so that's really cool. You don't see too many of them. I've got to add too, this 2H and the 5-speed have been fully rebuilt, so they're brand new, or as good as you're going to get, so she is running on song. Current owner, Tully, he's done the suspension himself. He's put the terrain tamer, a 2-inch lift, the full kit right through it, and he's scored himself one of the new ARB bars, and the most sought after bull bar you can buy. He's got one, she's up there. It came, this visor's really cool. I don't know if you can see, but what it does to the sun makes a world of difference, and this one looks really neat as well. It's custom made. He's got the LED bar up there, and you can also see on the outside the Donaldson. He's put that on there himself, put the whole Donaldson. It's the old school Donaldson, the steel one. No plastic going on here, no plastic going on at all. The whole thing's steel. She is in excellent condition. The tray, it's got his toolbox, a wooden tray, wooden floor on this one, and underneath the tray it's got a water tank that is 200 litres, so that's pretty impressive as well. Let's go inside and see how he's customed this to his own needs. And check out in here, it is really sweet. Dash wise, it hasn't been tampered with. It's got the J01 instead of the J07. All that means is it's got a replacement cluster. It's a genuine one. It's just been replaced with a new cluster to tidy it up. What Tully's done himself, he's put some deadener underneath the mat. He's redone that. His next mod is very high on the list now that he's moving to Queensland, is aircon. So he's gone ahead and done the deadener and what have you. I'm really digging up on the roof. Tully's ex-military, so he's got his own personal touch of badges that he has collected along his way. And underneath those, he's got the inclinometer out of a Landcruiser. Very cool. In the visors, so he doesn't have to put in the a console. He's utilised the visor space to hold bits and bobs to hang up there. Also, I do notice when you open the doors, the interior light comes on. That doesn't sound that exciting to most people, but most of us own 40s. They break, we don't bother, we don't fix them, we put it on a switch. It's been a long time since I've seen ones that work, and they're on LED, so very cool. It's got a Stallion canvas seat covers. They obviously make them for the 40 series because these are a really snug fit, very impressive. Otherwise, she's a stocko old ute, and the proof's in the pudding. How good looking this dash is, how nice it's well kept in the interior. So this beauty's in here today for some Terralooms, some LED headlight replacements. It's already got LED lights in there, some eBay ones, but had to do some sweet talking to a cop to get out of that one because they're not approved. Terraloom, the ADR, so it's all sweet. We're about to throw those in. And otherwise, we were chatting about this big dent up here. The car is so straight, but it's got a whopping big dent where a big ass deer ran into the side. I would have peed my pants if that was me. So that's the only dent in this vehicle. I didn't mention, this thing does some big Ks, so it's going to Adelaide in the next couple of days and coming back to Brizzy. She's on the road a lot, so we've got solar power and a second battery system all in the back there, and that helps on the big Ks. But right today, it's in the Mr. Landcruiser yard. Just check out this sweet rig.